If you've been trying to use glass and it's looking way too dark, like black even, this video is for you. So here we are in Cinema 4D, and let me know if you've tried this. You come into Cargo or Studio and you look at all these beautiful new glasses we have here, and you download one. Let's say we try this amber glass and we send it over to Cinema 4D. And let's just drag it right onto this doodad here, and holy crap, it's way too dark. What's going on? Well, these glasses are designed to recreate common glass types, but they're set at the thickness of regular glass. So if you're using it on anything that's thicker than, you know, half an inch or however many centimeters that is for real people in the world, it's gonna be too dark. Okay, so here's the way to fix it. So all you have to do is come into this materials, double click it, go to your standard material, and this is the setting you're looking for. It's under depth centimeter, and by default, it is, like I said, kind of a regular pane of glass thickness. But if you turn it up, then you can start to use it on thicker objects. If you throw it on a sphere or something, for example. We just have this little cute doodad. So there we go. So you could dial this in. Lower is more saturation, and then higher becomes more and more clear, more and more white. So that's it. That's really the trick. It is depth centimeter. Let's try this with one more. Let's go to this. Let's go with limeade. This green one looks pretty good. Let's send this one. Same thing. We'll drag it onto our doodad, and too dark. This one's a little brighter, but I think that's just because it's green. Let's just select it and go to our, there we go. Let's just select it and go to our depth, and there's the default, and let's turn it up. Oh, baby. That one looks good. All right. Hey, don't forget to turn on caustics, folks. It looks really cool with this glass. Let us know if you have any questions. Put them down below, and we'll see you in the next video really soon. Bye, everybody.